Welcome to solverfy.
For this problem on the topic of the Schrödinger equation, we are given a particular case in which the first excited state has Hermite polynomial h1 equal to x, and we want to find the normalization constant c1, the expectation value of x, the expectation value of x squared, and lastly, the expectation value of v of x for the state. Now, the wave function psi1 of x is equal to c1 x times e to the minus m omega x squared over 2h bar. And we know that the integral from minus infinity to infinity of the magnitude of psi1 of x squared dx must equal to 1, and this must equal to the integral from minus infinity to infinity of c1 squared x squared e to the minus m omega x squared over h bar dx. And so this is equal to the absolute value of c1 squared times 2i2, and this is equal to c1 squared times 2 times 1 over 4 times the square root of pi over lambda cubed. And lambda here is equal to m omega over h bar. And so this becomes c1 squared times a half into the square root of pi h bar cubed over m cubed omega cubed. And so rearranging, we get the constant c1 to be 4 m cubed omega cubed divided by pi h bar cubed all to the power 1 over 4. Next, we want to find the expectation value of x, and this expectation value is equal to the integral from minus infinity to infinity of x times the magnitude of psi1 squared dx, which is the integral from minus infinity to infinity of x cubed times 4 m cubed omega cubed over pi h bar cubed all to the power half times e to the minus m omega x squared divided by h bar dx, and this is equal to 0. Next, we want to find the expectation values of x squared, and this is equal to the integral from minus infinity to infinity of x squared times psi1 squared dx, which is the integral from minus infinity to infinity of x squared times 4 m cubed omega cubed over pi h bar cubed all to the power half times e to the minus m omega x squared over h bar times x squared dx. And this becomes 4 m cubed omega cubed over pi h bar cubed all to the power half times 2i4, which is 4m cubed omega cubed over pi h bar cubed all to the power half times 2 times 3 over 8 into pi, the square root of pi over lambda to the power 5. And lambda again is equal to m omega over h bar. And so this is 3 over 2 times the square root of m cubed omega cubed over pi h bar cubed times the square root of pi h bar to the power 5 over m to the power 5 omega to the power 5. And this becomes 3 over 2 times h bar over m omega. And lastly, for part D, we want to find the expectation values of v of x. And we know this is the expectation value of a half m omega squared x squared. And you can bring out the constants, so this is a half m omega squared times the expectation value of x squared. And this is a half m omega squared times 3 over 2 h bar over m omega. And so this becomes 3 over 4 h bar omega.